Teaching in the Metaverse, a new dawn for education. Imagine stepping into a classroom where the walls dissolve and the world becomes your lesson. What if virtual reality wasn't just a game, but the key to unlocking a new era of education? Virtual reality offers an unprecedented level of immersion. Students can explore ancient civilizations, dissect a human heart, or even travel to distant planets, all from the safety of their classroom. This isn't just about flashy visuals, it's about creating experiences that deeply resonate. Imagine learning about the Amazon rainforest by actually walking through it, encountering its flora and fauna firsthand. VR can democratize education, providing access to resources and experiences that were previously unavailable. Students in underserved communities could explore world-class museums or participate in simulated scientific experiments. Geographical limitations become irrelevant. Students from different corners of the globe can collaborate on projects in shared virtual spaces, fostering cross-cultural understanding. VR allows for personalized learning experiences tailored to individual needs and learning styles. Students can learn at their own pace, focusing on areas where they need the most support. Teachers can track student progress in real time, providing targeted feedback and guidance. This data-driven approach ensures that every student receives the attention they deserve. Of course, integrating VR into education isn't without its challenges. Cost, accessibility, and the need for teacher training are all important considerations. We must ensure that VR is used responsibly and ethically, prioritizing student well-being and avoiding potential pitfalls like motion sickness or social isolation. The potential of VR in education is immense. It's time to embrace this technology and explore its possibilities. Let's work together to create a future where every student has access to engaging, immersive, and personalized learning experiences. Are you ready to shape the future of education? Explore VR resources, attend workshops, and experiment with VR tools in your classroom. Share your experiences and insights with fellow educators. Together, we can unlock the transformative power of VR and create a brighter future for our students. Let's build the Metaverse classroom, one lesson at a time.